So let us solve one more problem. Prove that a by bc plus cos a by a equals to b by ca plus cos b by b equals to c by ab plus cos c by c. So that means now one by one we have to do it. Each one must be equal to some in terms of a, b and c. So that means first let us consider the first one. Solution: consider a by bc plus cos a by a. So as cos a we have, so here obviously we have to make use of the cosine rule. So that means first let it be rewritten as a by bc plus 1 by a times cos a. Now let it be replaced by, cos a is being replaced by b square plus c square minus a square by 2bc. So we get a by bc plus 1 by a times, this is b square plus c square minus a square upon 2bc. So this equals to a by bc plus b square plus c square minus a square by 2bc into a to abc. It's very simple now. Take LCM to ABC. 2ABC is the LCM. BC gets cancelled. We have 2a multiplied by a, 2a square plus b square plus c square minus a square. So further simplification, we get 2a square minus a square is plus a square. Am I correct now? 2a square minus a square. So now we get a square plus b square plus c square by 2abc. Say this is equation 1. So that means in the similar way we have to prove the second one also, a square plus b square plus c square by 2abc. So that means this time consider b by ca plus cos b by b. So generally it may be left to you for exercise, but let us do it. But you do your own, after that you watch my video also. So now this equals to b by ca plus 1 by b times cos b. Now cos b is being replaced by c square plus a square minus b square by 2ca, nothing but cosine rule. So now b by ca plus 1 by b times c square plus a square minus b square upon 2ca. So now just we have to do the simplification. Here b by ca, this is c square plus a square minus b square upon 2ca multiplied by b. In order, cyclic order, we can write 2abc. So now you can expect the next step. Here the next step is LCM, that is 2abc. You can check, am I correct? Next 2abc is divided by ca, it leaves 2b, 2b into b, 2b square plus 2abc divided by 2abc, it leaves 1, 1 multiplied by this one, we get c square plus a square minus b square. Let it be simplified. 2b square minus b square, we get b square. B square plus c square plus a square by 2abc. So now arranging in cyclic order A, B, C order, that means we get a square plus b square plus c square. So rearranging the terms, a square plus b square plus c square upon 2abc. Say this is equation 2. So now in the similar manner, let us consider this one. Consider c upon ab plus cos c upon c. So as to substitute the cosine rule here, we have to restate or rewritten as in the form of c by ab plus 1 by c times cos c. So let the value of cos c is being actually substituted here. C by ab plus 1 by c times, this is a square plus b square minus c square by 2ab. So now we have to simplify carefully. This is c upon ab plus a square plus b square minus c square upon 2abc. So now let 2abc taken as LCM. This is divided by the AB gets cancelled, 2c multiplied by c, 2c square plus 2abc divided by 2abc, we get 1 multiplied by this one, we get a square plus b square minus c square. If you simplify this one, 2c square minus c square, c square plus a square plus b square by 2abc. Now the terms of the numerator are arranged in the order, cyclic order, a, b and c. Okay, we get now this equal to a square plus b square plus c square by 2abc. This is equation 3. Just if you observe from equations 1, 2 and 3, we prove that, or we can prove that. So what we can prove now here, see a by bc plus cos a by a is equal to what we have here, b by ca plus cos b by b equals to, so what is this one? Just you consider this one, c by ab plus cos c by c. Hence, it is proved.